Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to pay with Capitec virtual card. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So I've actually prepared here step-by-step process to pay with your Capitec virtual card. So whether you're shopping online or in store. So here are the steps. First is open Capitec app and log in with your Capitec mobile app with your PIN. Now tap on the Cards tab at the bottom of the screen and select the virtual card option from the list of available cards. After that, tap on View Card Details to access your virtual card number, CVV, and expiry date. Note to copy the card information for use during online transactions. Now, to make your online payment, go to payment page of the website or app where you're purchasing and select credit debit card payment option. Enter the Capitec virtual card details like the card number, CVV, and expiry date. And to complete the payment, confirm the payment and complete the 3D secure authentication if prompt. You'll receive a notification or OTP to finalize the transaction. Now check the payment confirmation. So once the payment is successful, you can view the transaction details in your Capitec app under transactions. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.